Words that begin with KN. Night, knit, knob, knock, knuckle, kneel, knapsack, knockout, knowledge, knoll, need. Words that have GN. Signal, rain, align, gnaw. What is to gnaw? It's kind of like a chewing. We say the dog is gnawing on a shoe. Gnarl, sign, benign. Resign. This is a synonym to quit or leave. You resign for the day from work or resign from doing your homework for the day. You quit doing it for the day. Foreign, gnash. Gnash. At night, sometimes people gnash their teeth. It's kind of like a grinding. Sometimes gnash is a little more aggressive. Gnome. Pregnant. Signature. Words that begin with WR. Wrist, rustling, wrinkle, wrangler, wreath, right, wristwatch, wrath, wreck, wrench, wrong. Words with MB. Crumb, bombshell, thumbscrew, lamb, climb, dumb, comb, thumb, dumbbell, plumber, plumbing. Words that begin with P. Pterodactyl, pteranodon, psychiatrist, pseudonym. What is a pseudonym? A pseudonym is a fictitious name often used by authors. For example, the well-known Harry Potter author J.K. Rowling writes under the name Robert Galbraith in her Strike novel series. Pneumonia. Words that have SC. Science, scissors, obscene, muscle, luminescent, scent, scene, crescent, discipline, fascinate, conscience. The English language would be quite different if we did pronounce all of these silent letters. Think about the sound of consonant clusters in a word. Ps, t, k. It's not very understandable to us in English. Sounds a bit like something you would speak on a spaceship. You might wonder why we have silent letters. Well, they've come around through history. Think about remnants. Do you know what remnants are? It's like artifacts that you find from older times. Well, language has these artifacts, these remnants from older times, in letters that are in words. Letters that are no longer pronounced, but they stick around for the spelling. What do we do? Well, to appreciate the language, it might be interesting to know that these silent letters, show us that English is a language that has been developed over time, borrowing sounds and being influenced by older languages. Join me next time as we continue to explore all the wacky pronunciations in the English language.